The Shawnee Inn and Golf Resort has an impressive display of 100 creches from around the world.
It is really something special to have.
Creches, or nativities, depict the manger scene.
Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and all of the wise men.
The Shawnee Inn has pieces from many countries, including the Czech Republic, Costa Rica, Argentina, Ireland, and Sweden.
The representation of what we would consider the manger story from the view of different cultures. Some are made out of ivory, some are made out of wood, stone.
Jeremy Woe is Shawnee Inn's director of marketing. His favorite creche from Cambodia is made of newspaper.
You can actually see the type from the newspaper in the little figurines. It's actually pretty unique.
Mrs. Ginny Kirkwood is the co-owner and matron of Shawnee Inn. This collection of creches belongs to her sister.
Her sister goes around the world and collects them from different countries, cities.
This display is open to the public through January 4th, although it is recommended to call ahead. There's no admission fee, but donations for hands-on disaster relief are greatly appreciated. Pete Kirkwood, the son of Shawnee Inn's owners, helped found that nonprofit,
which helps disaster areas.
Jeremy says these creches symbolize something important, especially this year: family.
And the manger scene, I think, is another representation of family, being together however you can, and just appreciating what you have.
For Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk.